I still remember last year you also visited with a delegation which wanted to invest in IT sector. What happened of that visit? Is there any development in that matter yet?
Well, you know that sector has been expanded now with the Ministry of IT, Saudi Ministry of IT, and the counterpart in Pakistan, and they are moving in a larger scale to improve the both IT sector. As you know, there is the Pakistan now. A very big hub is emerging in Lahore,
Right.
the IT corridor, something like that. So I think that is one of the big, window of opportunity, and I believe that with such a high-profile delegation in Pakistan, there will be a certain team who are specialized in the IT,
Okay.
and we hope that in this sector there will be a lot of development.
Brother Fahim Al Hamid, thank you so much for giving your precious time.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।